All right, so now that we've kind of gone over the differences between the full box and the panel and section, I'm going to show you how to manipulate the full box style of islands with the Pack Closet library. Now let's put this into wireframe, and we can see we have the axle feet. Now this is kind of just a reference guide, so I'm going to get to the good stuff right away. If you want your full box islands to have axle feet, I'm going to leave this 3D viewer open while I'm in the products tab, and I can manipulate job parameters while I'm in here and I can look at them real time. If your operations aren't showing up because you don't have show operations turned on. So let's start at the top. We need four parameters in here checked. So floor FEB needs to be checked to no. In the toe category, we want to make sure that toe skin is turned on. That's not really required, but better for visuals. And then con toe, we want set to yes. And then use leg set to yes. Now, the only other thing that needs to happen is in the settings tab, we're going to go to miscellaneous and then make sure your pack full of Axelo is selected. You can use whatever Axelo that you want or whatever leg leveler you want. Just make sure that the leg levelers aren't sitting right on top of a Titus. You can change the position. I would just do it in the parts tab um, and make it happen that way. I can have another video on that as well. Okay, so that's if you want the full boxes. Now let's just crack one of these open. So I got lucky right there. I selected a section and it allowed me to select a section. Normally it's going to do this. I just selected on accident this back panel. If you find yourself unable to select certain things and you know you need to get in here for a little while, just pop this thing up. So it's because these red bounding boxes are intersecting. Just confused. So if I take the elevation and I just say plus 50, now it's up here and I can select whichever sections I want. Just a little side tip. So let's go into the section on the full box and we'll go in wireframe, kind of see what's going on here. And explode it. I'm going to turn off drawer boxes because we all know what those look like. All right, so there's a top, bottom, and sides. It's just a box, right? And it's all Titus. If you don't want four Titus back here, make another video to show you how to modify that. It's pretty easy. Now, full box still has full line bore. Also drilling for our guides, that little pilot hole in the front. Pretty self-explanatory, but the way you would want to build it is you're going to put your Titus outriggers or Rafix, whatever you're using, put them in the back. We're building this all in its back. Let's keep that in mind. So we have the back on the floor, right? Put the Titus in there, and then put your sides onto the back, right? Pop your studs into the sides, put them on the back, and then lock them in place. And put your studs in the top here, the top of your sides. So we're starting with the back, then the sides, then the top, then the bottom. Pretty easy. And then you could put your axle legs on there and stand her up. All right. Okay, so let's let's show you if you don't want to use the axle feet, then I'll show you how to turn them off. So again, we're going to turn on the 3D viewer so we can visualize real time while we change these parameters. And we'll go into wireframe. I kind of like it in the full frame, and we'll look at it from underneath. Oh, low. Okay, so the four things that you want to change are floor FEB, change that to yes. Okay, so our ends came down to the ground now. And remember, these are full boxes. You do have them doubled up. So that's really the only major difference that you're going to have. This one didn't do it because I have some overrides on it, but don't pay attention to it. So the ends come down, they're doubled up. Does anyone really care? Not sure. I don't think so. I would rather have them doubled up and just send them out. So floor FEB set to yes. Continuous toe, yes. Toe skin off. Excuse me, continuous toe, no. Okay. All right, looking good. And then we're going to say use legs, no. You don't have to turn the legs off in the settings unless you just want to turn them off. Then if we go into wireframe, we can see that our toes are back with outriggers. We have full line bore. Basically everything's just the same, except we're not using axle legs. And it looks more like the panel and section version over here, except it has doubled up sections. And that does bring up a good point, I suppose. If these islands, if the parameters in the job parms are conflicting with your other cabinets for whatever reason, one, maybe just get some training and we can go over it, but also it doesn't hurt to just go into the parameters tab and you can override all these things manually as well. So this one here, oh, this one just had the end set for to notch the toe. So that's the other thing you could do if you didn't want them to see this doubled up here. You could just do one continuous toe. So we could go into this cabinet, say notch front toe. Takes you a few extra seconds. Now you don't have to have that doubled up partition look on the front, which I think I said no one cares before, but now I changed my mind. Notch the front toe. Now let's look at it in 3D. All right, and there you go. So you have these toes here. You could turn off the toes. If you don't want to send them out with these sub toes, I would consider these sub toes, or you can leave the toes here, or you can do a full toe skin. If you want to turn on the full toe skin, you go to job parms, say yes to toe skin. We'll put like another layer in front of your sub toes. Or we could say toe skin no. Don't pay any attention to the cabinets on the right, but we're just looking at the left here. And then if you wanted to turn off that sub toe, then we can go into continuous toe, say yes. Oh, continuous toe off and toe skin on gives you that look that you're looking for in 3D viewer. All right, that is literally everything there is to know about the full boxes for islands. I will have another little video on how you actually build them out. It's super easy.